How to install PHPMyAdmin on Linux EC2 instance. I just finished setting up a default Linux EC2 instance and would like to install PHPMyAdmin. I already have Apache and MySQL installed but cannot seem to install PHPMyAdmin. I tried using sudo apt-get PHPMyAdmin, but the command apt-get is not recognized. I also tried sudo yum install PHPMyAdmin, but then I get the message, no package PHPMyAdmin available. Any suggestions on what I am doing wrong?
I found an easy solution here. Do the following. Navigate to the Apache folder. Ensure ownership of the folder, assuming signed in with EC2 user. Download PHPMyAdmin. Unzip. Rename the folder. Remove the zip file. That's the basics. You can find more info in the link provided above.
I know the question has more than 1 year, but was the first thing that popped up on Google with PHPMyAdmin EC2. Here is a better way to do things. Knowing that you have yum, the best way to act is to install it by yum. The easy way is to activate it just to install the packages you want, like PHPMyAdmin or MongoDB, e.g. And it should work. Edit, comment by Eric Brotto. It also should be noted that this comes with the advantage of uninstalling via sudo yum erase PHPMyAdmin. Eric Brotto, June 8 at 1622. Note that this would install PHPMyAdmin in /user/share/PHPMyAdmin. To make it available in your web root, you would have to symlink it thus. There are 2 ways to use EPL, one is above, the other is to activate it permanently, editing the file, /etc/yum.repos.d/epl.repo, and where it says enabled equals 0 we change it to enabled equals 1, now you can, sudo yum install PHPMyAdmin. Here you can see a package list for the EPL repo, too.
First add the repository, then install. This works fine on a standard 32-bit Amazon instance.
I don't have permissions to comment, so as a separate answer. 1. Check what Linux you have. 2. Check the correct RPM distribution released for you. This URL. 3. Add that distribution. Four. Install the application. 5. Create permissions to MySQL if necessary. Replace my pass with your own password.
you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.